Myself, Dr. Susan Jamieson and Claire McCletchie and Professor Fucius from Beijing were invited by the local government of Chengdu, southwest China, and a hotel called the Magnolia Resort to present workshops for trauma relief after the Beichuan earthquake in Chengdu 2008. Chengdu proved to be a fabulous town with the most amazing fresh food. We ate the most fantastic meals from the local street vendors, full of chili, spices, garlic, traditional to the area. Everything was so fresh. Fish had been taken in a cart from the sea many miles away, but the fish was still swimming in the water in this cart before it went straight onto our table. This resort in China is called the Beichuan Medicine King Resort, and it's full of magnolia trees which are particularly associated with trauma for women. The women of this area are so traumatized that they can't conceive, and they've had no therapy or counselling since the 2008 earthquake, in which they saw their children's schools collapse on top of their children. Everywhere there are statues to Goddess Kuan Yin and the turtles for longevity, because in this resort of many hectares of pristine organic food, all that's grown is actually herbs and nutritional food that helps longevity and health. So the owner of this resort has his heart opened so much by his experience in the disaster that he stopped his property development company to spend all his money in this enterprise. Magnolia trees are known to be related to trauma for women. The sense of smell is the first to come to us, and the power of its healing cannot be valued more. We ran poetry workshops and writing workshops. Then we did movement workshops, so help the locals release their frustration and worries through movement therapy.
3位专家已经登场，以及 Susan Jamieson， 当然了，还有我们的 Claire 教授，再次用掌声送给他们，好吗？当然了，站在我左边的这一位呢，是来自加拿大的华裔教授，站在旁边的这2位。美女呢来自我们国外的美女，都是来自苏格兰的关于花理体系的专家。那么今天呢，来到我们的药王谷呢，我们的苏珊教授他说的话呢，大家估计听得懂，我得跟大家翻译一下啊。Can I translate to you？
欢迎大家。
欢迎大家。
我的名字 Susan Jamieson Sugarland Wren。
我的名字叫做苏珊，来自苏格兰。
我祝福大家吉安有良人面好。
我祝愿大家像月亮一样美好，都没听懂吧？好，感谢我们的苏珊教授，来有请 Claire。
你好吗？我是 Claire， 我是苏格兰人。
我是可奈尔，我是苏格兰人。
So I'm doing this bit in English. It's a great honor to be here this evening with you all.
非常荣幸能够在这里和大家在一起度过这一个愉快的夜晚。
And And as we celebrate the full moon tomorrow evening, we hope we all have a magical and fun time here.
祝愿大家一切都好。我听懂的只有这一点点，我英语不是很棒。
谢谢你。
好，谢谢你们。好，那么同样呢，感谢我们的3位专家3位美女。同样呢，来，朋友们再次用最热烈的掌声欢送3位美女。好，感谢，来，谢谢普希教授。